Hello everyone, I was bought some craft material. So today I want to show everyone. It's my first time to use them. Yeah, let's see it. This is color for apply with clay. And new brush. And this is a gloss for makeup on clay also. Look, it's so smooth color. Wow. Yeah, here's the special clay for me. Is polymer clay. This clay we use for make earring or jewelry. So the clay also first time for me too. I never make it before, but I want to try to do it one day. Let's see next video when I do it. And Mark should stay cars. Okay, thank you, bye bye.